sweeties, welcome back to our channel with Little Miss Nessa.
Mommy Palette.
So we are back with our first unboxing of 2019. We are unboxing, what are we unboxing?
GlossyBOx.
Yes, GlossyBOx mail over here. So, go ahead, let's dive into it.
But first you need to say it's a few words.
A few words, what kind of words? What shall we tell everybody? So how has 2019 been treating you? I hope it has been treating you very well and you have been motivated, inspired, and productive. And what else do you want to tell them?
I hope you like this channel.
Yes, we hope you really like our channel, and if you do, make sure to share, like, and subscribe. We should probably make a song so that we can subscribe to our channel. What do you think? How should it go?
Not yet. Only the ending.
Okay, sounds great. Well, we are going to be unboxing GlossyBOx for the month of January. So let's get to it.
Can I open it?
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, what do we got here?
We got a credit
We
card.
got a credit card. So we got a wine voucher for $100.
Wow, that's so many.
And if you didn't see my Insta stories the other day, I posted some wine in GlossyBOx, which my favorite wine
Here's your book.
is Stella Rosa.
Yay.
Sorry, so as always, GlossyBOx includes a little catalog of things that are included in your box. Alright, so then we have another, it's like a coupon code for Skin Store. So I'm already feeling like the box is all about skin, which I'm all for that this year. Alright, let's get to
I
it.
feel like it's confetti.
Confetti.
Let me open it for
Can
you.
you open it? Thank you. So what is our first?
Face mask.
Oh, yes, it's a face mask. Yes, it's a slice mask sheet. It's by Coco Star and it's a lemon face mask. And look at this beautiful packaging. It looks so refreshing for the skin. Yes. And again, I will do a close-up on the items and I will put the price. And again, this box, if you're not familiar with, it is $21 per month and it is free shipping. And if I find a code, I will link it below. And I link it below in the description box, or I will put it on the screen so that you can save some money. Alright, so what's our next item? Ooh, it's by Daily Concept. And it is a mini scrubber for your face. And it is supposed to be gentle. I have sensitive skin, so being gentle, it is good for me. It has three types. It has gentle, mild, and vigorous.
And you have to be gentle with this.
So it is a travel size. Use it in the shower and cleanse your face. And it has a little indicator when to replace it. And it has words. So once those words fade, that means you have to replace your scrub. And it is to remove like your makeup. And it is in, yes?
I think it's for in here.
It's to clean.
And here.
So I will go ahead and put all the info as well. Alright, what's the next item?
I think this eyeshadow. Is it?
It looks like an eyeshadow, but it is not an eyeshadow. It is by Sleek Makeup, and it is a highlighting palette. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highlighter options.
Let me see.
So this is by Sleek Makeup, and it is a highlighter palette. Ooh. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 highlighter options.
Mom, I can't see. Wow.
So you're gonna glow in 2019. Oh, because it has a protector. That's fine. So I am already wearing a highlighter, but I will do a swatch time so you can see what these highlighters look like. But they look so gorgeous, and the packaging is so pretty.
Not the packaging.
Right. What is our next item?
I will.
Okay, so these are by Zia facial wipes. So they remove makeup and impurities, and it is with rose hip and essential oils. So these days I am definitely all for facial wipes to make my experience of taking off my makeup easy, because sometimes you just get home all like tired and you just want to go to sleep, but hey, you gotta remove that makeup, and these little wipes come in handy.
But you have too much makeup.
No, but these is to help remove the makeup. They're little wipes.
Oh.
Alright, so our next item is by Avent, and I have hyaluronic vitamin B3 seawater sweet almond, and it's a night cream for your face and your under eyes. So I'm all about that these days, because we all know new year, which means we're all getting a little bit older. We're getting a year older. And so I think that is it for our unboxing.
We're gonna be older.
Yes, we're gonna be older this year. So yeah.
We're scared.
Yeah, you're scared?
Yeah.
Don't be scared. These are the items that were in our GlossyBOx, and we got version 2 of GlossyBOx. There is another version of this box. Alright, so we're doing swatch time. Alright, so this is what the highlighter palette looks like. So these are the swatches. As you can tell, you can hardly see them, but they are there, and they're so beautiful. And there's some that are creamy and some that are powdery, but overall they are really, really pretty. I'm not sure about that purple one though. Alright, so that was it for our unboxing for GlossyBOx for the month of January. And there were 5 items in total, and the total value of the box was $156.99. And again, you only pay $21 for the monthly subscription. Yes, ma'am?
At least we lost one, and let's just
So she thinks we lost one, but we didn't. We actually got version 2, and that one was either you get the facial scrub or you got like a gel for your under eye, and this is what we got. So again, you only pay $21, which I think is a great box. And my thoughts is that this month is all about skin, and I think they nailed it on the whole skin.
We nailed it!
Nailed it! So I just wanted to do a quick announcement. Our giveaway is still going on. You still have time to enter our giveaway. And just click the link below and follow the instruction. It is powered by Rafflecopter. So just follow the instructions, which says the main entry is to subscribe to my channel. And in order for me to count your entry, make sure you go through the link and hit the link that says subscribe to Lollipop Couture's channel, and then it'll take you to our channel, and that way I can count your entry towards the giveaway. Again, the giveaway is a lot of beauty products and skincare, and of course our beauty sponge holder. So make sure to enter, and we hope you liked our video. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell for future videos, and we will see you till next time.
No, wait, we have to make the song.
Oh, yes, the song before we forget, so you can subscribe to our channel. What is the song?
You me.
Yeah, how does it go? I will follow your lead. La la la, subscribe to our channel. La la la. To make my, what do they say? Come, what do they say? Yes, ma'am?
Why you be honored and make a video when you sing?
We got version blah blah blah.